Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is our part 2 ng DIY challenge. And if you can recall, the first part ng DIY challenge natin ay ang paggawa ng swirling gold Christmas tree. Gamit lang ng twist tire wire, Christmas light, and gold foil plastic as the main materials ng project na yun. And if you want to check the video and the rest of our videos, just click the links in the description box. But wait! If you are new to our channel, please click that subscribe button first and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified pag may mga bago tayong video. If you like our content, please click that like button and you may leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. So yun nga, since almost Christmas na, alam kong lahat napapaisip at napaplano kung anong dekorasyon ang gagamitin this Christmas season simula nung September pa. But since pandemic, bawal lumabas. So, kung lumabas ka naman, may pamabili ka ba? Yun lang. So, imbes gumastos tayo, let's use what we have. So, kalkal-baul tayo and I found another set that we can use for this challenge. So, what do we do now? Yes, madam. For this video, gagawa tayo ng Parol of Constellation or Parol de Constelaciones. Kayan ba? Ano kaya kalalabasan? Have or wale? Tara! So here's the materials for this project. I'm using a 1 meter tall parol made of bamboo, pantale, tire wire, hot glue gun and stick, foil plastic, blue and silver, some old Christmas decors, the Christmas lights, of course, and lastly, the net fabric. I have also printed some photos of 12 zodiac constellations to be used as a reference. Why? Huh? Basta, gagawa tayo ng parol tapos may constellation effect. Ganon. Okay. So for the first step, gumawa ng pagitan between the back and front ng parol using the tire wire. We will be using this para pagkapitan ng net na magiging base sa gagawing zodiac constellation. Kailangan maayos at secured para di ma-fall sa maling tao. Para di malaglag ang mga ikakabit nating Christmas light. I agree. For the second step, cut the net fabric ayon sa hugis ng parol at kayin ito sa tire wire. Huwag masyadong maipit or sobrang luwag. Dapat sakto lang. Parang pag-handle ng relationship yan. Huwag nakakasakal mga bes. Huwag masyadong sobrang luwag. Yung tamang timpla lang. Wow. For the third step, gamit ang hot glue gun, ikabit ang mga Christmas light ayon sa arrangement ng mga stars ng bawat zodiac constellations. For this step, since halos sakop naman ng buong pamilya ko ang 12 zodiac constellations, so I arrange it in according sa pagkakasunod-sunod naming magkakapatid. And of course, our parent zodiac constellation is positioned in the middle of the parol. The trick sa pagkabit ng Christmas light is to let the hot glue dry first before proceeding to the next bulb ng Christmas light. This is actually to properly secure the light bulb of the Christmas light on the net. We don't want it falling off or worst, misplaced. Para iwas paso, mag-ingat, maging mapapantsyag, iwasan mo na siya. Ang iwasan ng hot glue. For step 4, gamit ang rugby, dikit ang blue foil plastic sa harap at likod ng parol and then cut the excess. For applying rugby, do not follow how I did it kasi it was a mess. So you might want to use some brush or stick. Pandikit po ito, ma'am sir. Huwag simutin. Also sa mga fold trimmings, huwag muna natin itapon. May panggagamit na pa tayo yan. At ugaling mag-light check just in case. Our main point of doing this project is visible sa labas ang Christmas light when we turn it on. And check na rin natin kung may natanggal or na-misplace na mga light bulbs. For step 5, lagyan ng blue foil trimmings and silver foil trimmings ang sides ng parol. I'm thinking kasi that silver foil will help the brightness of the Christmas light. Well, that's just my theory. Lagyan ng Christmas decor of your choice ang sides, like gifts or small boxes of gifts. Sa akin, for this project, I'm using fallen off branches of Christmas tree and poinsettia flowers. And the last step, secure the Christmas lights on the side of the parol. And we are finished! It's about time. This is our finished project with lights off. And for the lights on, here is our Parol de Constelaciones. Hope you like it as much as we do, and if you do, click that like button and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para update ka sa mga new upload. At ako nga po ulit ang inyong manong Epoy Palaboy. Hanggang sa muli!